These are trays of squid or octopus ink. I want to catch and eat this type squid. And I want it raw. First, let's catch some small fish. I'll use this small fish as bait. It's heavy. I don't use these small fish as bait because of their weak vitality. For now, I kept 3 small fish. I'll go over there. I will start fishing for squid. Start squid fishing. The food was clearly sinking just now. I'll check the bait. It was this one. I don't feel heavy. I had my bait stolen. There's not much bait left. Is the food gone? Where's my food? The food has surfaced. Yes. I feel the weight. This is probably an oval squid. Is it a barracuda? was a barracuda. The hook was caught in its gill. And it's bleeding. If the barracuda is not kept cool, it will rot. I will come here again at a later date. I bought a refrigerant. In Japan, barracuda is often dried and eaten. Anyway, I'll measure it. It's so big. Soak these in salt water. Add salt so that the salinity becomes about 10. Dry these.
Later.
I want a climax in the second half of the video. I bought 2 buckets at Daiso for 550 yen. This bucket is of good quality and inexpensive. First, let's catch some small fish. There are a lot of small fish swimming around. I'll use this small fish as bait. I could only catch 2 small fish. Today I'm going to mainly target barracuda. Start barracuda fishing. I can't catch anything. I'll try casting a metal jig. Do I wind the reel slowly? It's impossible to catch a barracuda with a metal jig. I want real small fish. I can catch a bottom perch. I don't think I can catch a barracuda. so I'll aim to catch an oval squid. Bottom perch can be caught at night without rear bait. I have enough bait. This fish is silver, so it would have high appeal. The lure man, who came in 10 minutes ago, caught an oval squid. The time has come, it's my time to use the silver fish. The silver fish escaped. Darn it. I'll give up. The dried fish are ready. The dried scorpion fish is steamed in sake. This is sake. I'm going to grill the dried barracuda. Grate the radish. This is soy sauce. Very good. Huh? I got the heating time wrong. If the heating time was perfect, it would be even better. It's hard. Please subscribe to the channel.